If you're tired of the same old business ideas and want something that's actually good for the planet while putting serious money in your pocket, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into 7 booming eco-friendly repair businesses that are exploding right now. These aren't about making new stuff, they're about fixing what's already out there, cutting waste, reducing e-waste, and saving resources. Repairing instead of replacing is the ultimate green move. These are scalable, often mobile or home-based, and many have recurring revenue. Let's jump in. First up, drone repair and maintenance. This is one of the hottest emerging niches out there. Millions of drones are flying for delivery, inspection, agriculture, and hobbies, but very few specialized repair shops exist. You'll fix frames, propellers, motors, cameras, batteries, and even update firmware. Jobs pay premium rates, from $200 to $1,000 plus each, and some operators are already hitting multi-million revenue with fleet contracts. To start this business, you need just $2,000 to $15,000 in capital. That's for basic tools, spare parts, a small workspace, or garage setup. Once you're established, expect an average profit from $50,000 to $150,000 per year, or way more if you scale to commercial contracts. Number 2, solar panel cleaning, inspection, and repair. The solar industry is growing massively, but dirty panels lose 20 to 30% of their output. You use drones with thermal imaging to detect hotspots, clean panels, and troubleshoot inverters for residential and commercial arrays. Seasonal cleanings plus ongoing monitoring contracts create steady, high-margin income. Startup capital ranges from $5,000 to $20,000. You'll need a good drone, water-fed cleaning poles or robots, basic safety gear, and maybe a van. Many start part-time from home. Average annual profit ranges from $40,000 to $120,000, with 30 to 50% margins thanks to recurring contracts. Next, EV and hybrid vehicle battery and module repair. Forget full $10,000 to $25,000 battery pack swaps at dealerships. You specialize in diagnostics, module replacement, and cell balancing. Much cheaper for owners. Right-to-repair laws are finally giving independent shops access to parts, and EV drivers are desperate for affordable options. Minimum capital required is $20,000. This covers specialized diagnostic scanners, high-voltage safety tools, training, and initial parts inventory. You don't need a huge shop. Many start mobile. This is a true millionaire maker niche in high EV areas. Operators are pulling $60,000 plus per year as profit, with recurring diagnostics and maintenance bringing in steady cash. Number 4, medical equipment and mobility device repair. Think powered wheelchairs, scooters, hospital beds, oxygen concentrators, CPAP machines, and home monitoring tech. With aging populations and the home healthcare boom, demand is skyrocketing. Right-to-repair laws are expanding, making parts easier to get, and competition outside big providers is very low. Startup capital required is from $10,000 to $40,000. Average profit ranges from $60,000 to $150,000 annually from high-ticket repairs plus recurring maintenance contracts with clinics and individuals. Modern cars have cameras and radars for safety features. After a windshield replacement or collision repair, these must be recalibrated or the systems fail. Vehicle complexity is rising, and there's a huge shortage of certified techs. Auto shops and insurers will pay you premium rates to do it. Capital needed is from $10,000 to $40,000 for calibration tools, targets, software, and training. Many run this as a mobile service out of a van. Average profit ranges from $70,000 to $150,000 plus per year. Sixth, agricultural equipment repair. High-end tractors, farm drones, precision agri-tech, sensors, and electronics related to farming require regular inspection and maintenance. Farmers hate downtime, and new right-to-repair laws let independents compete. Focus on diagnostics and fixes for high-value machinery in rural areas. Startup capital required is from $15,000 to $60,000 for specialized diagnostic tools, software access, and a basic shop or mobile setup. Average profit ranges from $80,000 to $200,000 plus per year. Jobs run $1,000 to $10,000 each, with massive margins once you're the go-to local expert. And finally, number 7, smart home device and automation repair. Homes are packed with smart thermostats, locks, cameras, lighting, and hubs from Google Nest, Apple HomeKit, Ring, and more. But when they glitch, owners don't know who to call. You handle troubleshooting, wiring fixes, and integrated system repairs. Capital required is just $2,000 to $25,000 for tools, diagnostic software, parts, and maybe a van for house calls. Average profit ranges from $30,000 to $120,000 yearly. Charge $150 to $600 per call and upsell maintenance plans. Low competition and specialized setups makes this easy to scale. Repairing smart devices stops perfectly good tech from ending up in landfills, extending the life of our connected homes. There you have it. 7 eco-friendly repair businesses that are profitable, in demand, and genuinely help the planet by reducing waste and extending product lifespans. Which one are you most excited about? Drop it in the comments below.